Hi friends, I just received my Euyona leather underdesk drawer. I'm very happy because, as you can see, don't have space here in my desk, so I need something like this. I needed something like this, and I hope this desk drawer will help me. Okay, comes with all the accessories you need in this. Perfect. There are two screws here. Okay, you get all the accessories you need. This is the actual holder of the drawer. Okay, perfect. Okay, tighten enough. Perfect. So this is the drawer, and now it has a really large opening, so you can put it in a lot of, if in any kind of desk. So that way I can open my drawer, I can open my keyboard stand, and I can have things here. And when I want to work with them, I can do like this. I can have it open and have all my stuff over here. Okay, friends, and this is another use for my leather underdesk drawer. As you can see, I have a glass desk in my office, but look how nice my cabinet is here. I have my air conditioning special device that I have here, and my TV remote control here. And with this pad, it won't even be seen by my visitors. Great!